I would invite both of you to look at this next piece because it's quite interesting. And of course, viewers, you're going to benefit from this as well. It is an interesting concept, right? What are the few stocks where there is a consensus buy call across brokers, but which have done horribly or relatively horribly in 2025 so far? To tell you about those and why potentially they're behaving the way that they are, I'm joined by Varsha this morning. Varsha, what are these stocks and what have they done so far?
Yeah, so I'm going to talk about 3 stocks wherein the analysts are super bullish, but the stocks have not given any, rather they've given negative returns till now. Let me start with all the 3 stocks, starting with Team Lease, 5-star business and Suntech Realty. All the 3 stocks, if you see, analysts are super bullish, have on the Team Lease, if you see, they have 12 buy ratings. On the 5-star, they have 11 buy ratings, and on the Suntech, they have 14 buy ratings. But all 3 of them have given negative returns. And let's deep dive what went wrong for this company and what's the outlook going ahead. Starting with the Team Lease. Why the underperformance? Because of lean hiring trends from sectors like IT and BFSI. And what's the outlook when it comes to this company? So they are increasing hiring when it comes to GCC countries, which is a positive pivot for this company. And also the gradual revival is taking shape in H2. So maybe H2 will be super strong for this company. And also there are early signs of demand recovery in general staffing, and the company may see higher margin because of the specialized staffing business that they are entering into. Talking about 5-star business finance, let's see why the underperformance for this company. If you see, they've seen a soft Q2 quarter. Also the growth remains subdued with disbursal declining. Let's see what's the outlook and why analysts are bullish on this stock, because they see visibility improving on AUM growth and asset quality, that is in H2, and also gradual improvement is expected in Q3 and strong recovery is expected in Q4. That means H2 will be strong for this company as well. Talking about Suntech Realty, why the underperformance? Because of the moderation in MMR region, which remains a concern for investors and analysts, but they've maintained their pre-sale guidance of around 30 to 35% for FY26 and also have a healthy launch pipeline when it comes to Suntech. So overall, these are the 3 stocks wherein analysts are super bullish because of the positive outlook, H2 being strong for these companies. Let's see how this will perform, for next 1 to 2 years.
Okay, Varsha, thanks so much for that, and very interesting piece there. Any view on some of these stocks, Parag Bhai, because there are fundamental reasons why analysts are positive on these stocks, but equally, Varsha has highlighted the reasons why they might have underperformed. Would you be positive on any one of these 3?
See, I would say that Team Lease is one where I have a interest. We also have a very, very small weight in that. And of course, the stock has corrected. The corporate governance of the company, balance sheet of the company is absolutely top class. It is just because of IT hiring, lateral hiring in IT has collapsed, right? Due to all this AI and all those things. So I would say that it is a business problem. It is not a company problem at all, I would say.
No, so actually the question then, Parag Bhai, is not the company, it's the people who are doing the analysis and giving those buy calls. Because sometimes, we report on those buy calls all of the time. And then what happens in reality is not necessarily the same. I mean, should there be some extent of responsibility there as well?
No, Tamanna, I would like to say that the sell side people are doing a wonderful job. They are working 24/7. You ask any sell side analyst on Saturdays when banks declare results. This time there were 10 banking results, right, on the Saturday. So I think they are doing a lot of hard work. I will give full credit to them. I will not take away just because of 1 or 2 or 5, maybe 10 stocks which have not done well according to their estimates. I would not blame them at all. All are my very good friends, and I am really thankful to them.
They are friends also, Parag Bhai, and we are also working Saturdays, by the way.
I'm saying
we're asking, it's a little bit of a theoretical question. We'll get back to stocks in a second. It's a bit of a theoretical question on what's happening in the markets right now. Aditya, you have a view? I saw you smiling there.
Tamanna, basically, see, you do hold responsibility without a doubt because people do invest on our recommendations. So collectively, yeah, I agree, we do hold responsibility. But at the same time, like Parag bhai said, you miss some, you hit some. It's ultimately the game of how many hits and misses. If your hits are more than your misses, you are eventually making money.
Ultimately, you limit your downside, right? Or you limit your losses, and you are successful eventually. So, but the limited point, and just to close out this conversation, Parag bhai, of course, all of these are theses, and so therefore you don't go in with your eyes closed if you are following somebody's recommendation.
Absolutely.
You do your own research.
It is a choice of buyer or a fund manager, right?
Yeah, yeah. So important point. Okay, let's head